Hello, wake up buddies! Hanging lower belly is harder to reduce because they are not typically a belly fat, but the hormones in your body are changing. It can be you are a post-pregnancy mom, you have a long-term medication usage, or you are overweight. So how to get rid of lower belly fat and actually see results? First, you need to fix your diet. Eat a lot of homemade healthy food and do the right exercises. Choosing the right exercises that target your deep core can speed up your results twice faster. This deep core and lower belly focus workout are the exercises I do almost every day. It is about consistencies. It is also very effective and safe for diastasis recti. Stay consistent for a few weeks and you will see change. So let's get started.
The first time laid on your sheets, you gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call, it's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should've known. Guitar. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming what you wanna do, babe. Just say it. Cause baby, I could sell my soul, I could let it go and have you take it or take it away. I want you in my golden hour dream, everything between. Cause I just can't help myself but fantasize. Strawberry summer, sugar satellite. You spin my head around all day and night. Send me to heaven when I fantasize, fantasize. Baby, it's now or never. Can't you see where to be? I love you better. Fantasy recipe when we're together. Can't you see where to be? I love you better. We're together. No, I don't wanna miss your every single minute. But see, the problem is I can't admit it, loving you more till you notice. Baby, I'm wanting you more, so you know this. Cause baby, I could sell my soul, I could let it go and have you take it or take it away. I want you in my golden hour dream, everything between. Cause I just can't help myself but fantasize. Strawberry summer, sugar satellite.